5 P's of professional storytelling. So you have P, 3, 4, 5. First, you have the people. Who is involved in the story? I was working with a client in the XYZ industry. They wanted to buy a house, okay? Then, what problem did they have? They've worked with 2 or 3 agents. They were trying to do XYZ. This is the part that most people spend the least amount of time on because they just want to get to how they help. Spend the most amount of your time here. So if you think about a superhero movie, imagine a superhero movie where the villain gets 2 minutes of screen time. And the rest of the movie is just how amazing the superhero is. There's no movie, right? The bigger the problem, the bigger the payoff. The bigger the problem, the bigger the payoff. So talk about what problem the person you helped before had. Then, what process did you follow to start helping them out? They came to us with XYZ issue. They wanted to buy a house. They couldn't find the right market, blah, blah, blah. We helped them do X, Y, Z. Then you have the payoff. You helped them with the thing. What was the end result? And this should be the opposite of the problem. They came in with this problem. We did this process, and now they're here. This could be a happy ending. At the end, the most important thing, what is the point of your story? What are you trying to convince them of? So the reason I tell you this story is so you know we can do X, Y, Z. It's so you don't buy the house at the wrong price or whatever it is. That's the main point. So people, problem, process, payoff, point.
Now, if you would like to learn to speak like a CEO and do it in record time, check the video description for our resources and classes. I'll see you in the next one.